Horizontal rebars are installed on each block row. The scaffold installation starts 2 feet from inner wall intersection and every 5 feet subsequently. Scaffolds should be installed on each opening side. It is recommended to attach scaffolds to all block screwing points with 3-inch number 8 screws. The scaffold attachment to the starting base requires 1 1/4 inch number 8 screws. For T-walls, it is recommended to place a scaffold on the exterior wall at the opposite side of the intersection. For polyconcrete wall assembly with 8-inch concrete thickness or more, it is recommended to put scaffolds at each outer corner sides. Scaffold vertical adjustments at level point must be done before concrete pouring. Level point should be slightly tilted towards scaffolding side. Vertical rebars installation. If there is more than one Polycrete ICF concrete pouring, make sure that previous rebars exceed the last row top to ensure construction strength. This should be made according to the building code.